how to fix GIF not working on WhatsApp. So if you want to fix GIF is not working on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, now try to go with a chat and try to load some GIFs. If the GIFs are not loading, or if you're facing a problem loading your GIFs, then what you need to do is just go back and open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, and here you need to go with apps, which is right here. Tap on apps, and under apps you need to go with manage apps. Under manage apps, go with search and search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp once you find it. Now here you will have an option of force stop on the left side, right? You need to go and force stop the application, and it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to come back to the same page, go with storage, and go with clear data. Or you may also have an option of clear cache. You need to tap on clear cache, and you need to clear your cache. After clearing your cache, your problem may be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, you need to go and update it. Once you've updated your WhatsApp, many problems will be fixed. Now, once you've done all of these, you need to go and restart the device, and it will fix your GIF not working on your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.